Today we are going to be talking about inklewriter.com. This is a special site on which we can write interactive stories, and this is now free. At first it was paid, but now it's free and it is not in beta anymore. Using this we can write our own stories with alternative endings. Like, if I want to write a story of a woodcutter, but what happens if the woodcutter accepted the golden axe? Or if I write the story of Cinderella, but Cinderella didn't left didn't leave her shoe, or Snow White didn't wake up. That's how we can write. So let's get started. First, we have to sign in with our account. I have already created account. If you want to create an account, you have to go and create new account like I went, and write your email address and new password, and you can start. Now I have done it, so I will sign in. Now I am signing in. So I started. This is my own story. So this story's will name will be Wood the Story of the Woodcutter. Or if I want a new story, I can start. I can go into this new menu after signing in and use this untitled story. We will have to name the story. So if I'm writing a story about the honest woodcutter, let's start. My story's name is The Tale of Gordon Woodcutter. Now I'll write my name. As you know me, I'm Classroom Pros. So let's go. We have to first start with Once Upon a Time. Now we'll get this honest woodcutter story, but first we need an image. So let me copy this image, the honest woodcutter. So let's start. I'm copying this image's link from here, and then I'm going to this choose image point, and then I'm using control V and using this image. Now this image has come. Now if I want to edit this image, if I want to do anything to this image, or if I want to change this image, I can do it like this. Now I have done this. I have done the first section. Now I want to write the story. So once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter. He was very poor. He was very poor. After that, I have to do full stop and then I'll write. He was very poor, and he had to work hard every day. To get wood. One day, while cutting wood, he dropped his axe into water. So after he, so we have to add these two images of him using the axe and him dropping it in the water. Let me do it. Let me insert it. So I have completed the recording. Oh, I've completed my story. The story has been titled "The Tale of God and Woodcutter." The and this is and it is written by me, Classroom Prose. So the story is like this. Now, what if we want to end? What if I want to save the story? So many of you will be saying, "How do we do it?" We can go to share and use this link. Now I have copied this link, and this is how it looks like without that without that format. So see, this is how it looks. We can make many stories with this. I will send you the link of the story and you can take ideas of the story and then make your own story. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, like and please like this video too. Thank you for watching. Next time we'll be talking about this Inkle writer in depth. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.